Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn our first history chapter, the Indian subcontinent and history. Through this lesson, we understand that geographical condition in humans' life. Okay. I ask you one question. How many continents in the world? Yes, seven continents. I will name them: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. And of course, we belong to Asia continents. Okay. The Indian subcontinent and history, इसको हमने 3 सब टॉपिक में क्या किया है, डिवीजन किया है. यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा है 1.1 जोग्राफिकल कंडीशन एंड द कोर्स ऑफ हिस्ट्री, 1.2 जोग्राफिकल फीचर्स ऑफ इंडिया, 1.3 द इंडियन सब कॉन्टिनेंट. सो लेट्स बिगेन आवर फर्स्ट टॉपिक, जोग्राफिकल कंडीशन एंड द कोर्स ऑफ हिस्ट्री. अब आपको एक फैक्ट बता देती हूँ. जोग्राफी के बिना हम हिस्ट्री पढ़ नहीं सकते. जो भी हम हिस्ट्री पढ़ रहे हैं वो सारे जोग्राफी से क्या है, रिलेटेड है. वी विल लर्न टू सी हाउ हिस्ट्री एंड जोग्राफी आर इंटर रिलेटेड. In the fifth standard, we saw at some length that there is a close relationship between man and his environment. Of course, we are know the environment affects a lot. We saw how the changes in the lifestyle of the early man and his technology were related to the changes in his surroundings. We also review the history of human civilization from the Stone Age to the agriculture civilization that flourish on the banks of river. You know, in most previously and ancient time, the settlement rise that many people settle were near the banks of river. Why? Was because soil was fertile. So fertile soil crops grow where. वो लोग कहाँ पे रहते थे? नदी के किनारे रहते थे. किस लिए? खेती, उससे क्या हो जाता था, खेती करने के लिए उनको ईजी हो जाता था, है ना. History is a coherent account of the significant past events in the progress of human culture. Coherent means what, children? Yes, coherent means ideas clear easily to understand in. Time, place, society and individuals are the four major pillars of history. I will repeat again. Time, place, society and individuals are the four major pillars of history. We cannot write history without them. Of these four components, place is related to geography or geographical conditions. Okay. In this sense, history and geography are inseparable. History is influenced by geographical condition in many ways. Now students, see these types of houses. According to climate and geographical area, people make their houses. Okay. यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा है ना, टाइप्स ऑफ हाउसेस.